you want to steal the show and impress your family and friends this Christmas season? Let me show you the fastest and easiest way to play We Wish You a Merry Christmas and still sound like a pro. Are you ready? Let's dive in. You see? So easy. Okay, so this is the melody. We are playing on the key of C. The key combination of the key of C, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. The same way to the left hand, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Okay, we're starting the melody. Let me play the melody first so that you can see that I'll spell out the letter. So, see that then? You can even harmonize it this way, but you can just end with single notes. So these are the key combination: G, C, C, then D, my pinky, then back to C, then B, then A, then I change my finger. So I'm repeating A twice, so then I'm changing my finger so that my finger can stretch to the next one. Then the next one, then see, I've opened up my fourth finger again to D, then my pinky again, did you see that? Then I open again, then G, G, A, D, B, C. I can even end with this C, whichever finger you want. So all together. Good. That's even a bit not too simple, but watch the magic on the left hand. So the left hand is starting with this. It's starting with E and C. Look at it, it's just shifting pattern. It's shifting forward. So E and C. See that? Then F and C. Then the next one, F sharp. That makes you sound a bit jazzy there. F sharp and D. Then drop it again. G and D. Then move again. G sharp and E, drop again. That's the first part. So it's like chromatic movement. So we wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Then when you get there, then and a Happy New Year. So all together with both hands. I'll play it very slowly for you so that you can see everything. So let's go. Good tidings will bring is the next part now. So listen. Good tidings will bring to you and your king. Look at the trick here. I'll play that part again. Good tidings. Smile. So I just rolled my finger. So good tidings. My third. Did you see that? Then and a happy new year. Easy. The left hand there is doing something very similar to what you played before. So, good tidings will bring. It's just that you bounce. Good tidings will bring to you and your king. You get it now? So let me play together. Then you got it now. Then go to this part. It's the only change you have on the left hand here this time. Good time. Then Christmas. Then so that's more or less you playing 2-5-1 at the end. And Happy New Year. So it's like you are accompanying the melody on the right hand with your left hand. You are accompanying each other and make you sound very rich and nice on the piano. So let me play it all together now, very slowly. So look at it. Easy. That's all together. Second part, good tidings will bring. Then 2-5-1. Merry Christmas.